Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can get clients for your digital marketing service or for any kind of services through LinkedIn on automation. I know, guys, that there are a lot of people who are sending connection requests or who are sending messages to their prospect on a daily basis manually. But, guys, you need to understand this thing that it takes time and sales is the number game. You can't assume the result within 1 week, or you can't assume the result within 1 month. You need to reach out to your prospect as much as you can on a daily basis. You don't need to stop of your reaching out prospects, of your reaching out process. Okay, if you are in marketing or sales, so that's why you need to automate your process. That's why you need to automate your reaching out process. And now the question is that how you can automate your reaching out process through LinkedIn. So guys, for that you can use the best tool that you can use is, and the name of the tool is Waalaxy tool that you can use. So first you can go on Google and type Waalaxy. You need to install the extension of Waalaxy, okay, on your Chrome. So you can click on this icon on this, okay, and then you need to uh, install this extension. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again and again, okay. But if you have not installed, then please go and install this tool, and then you can, otherwise you can't use this tool, okay. So first of all you need to install this extension, and then after that you will get the icon of that extension, okay. So you need to click on that icon and you need to open Waalaxy. So whenever you click on open Waalaxy, so uh, they will give you so many options that you can use to reach out to your prospect. So here you can see that this is the galaxy of my team member, okay. So what you can do, you can import, you can send connection request to your prospect with this Galaxy tool. You can also send invitation notes with messages if you want. I will share with you that what are the sequence that you can use to reach out to your prospect. Okay, so there are so many sequence that you can use to reach out to your prospect. So first of all, whenever you will open your Galaxy, so you will get the interface like this, okay. And now what you can do, you need to first import your prospect. So you need to click on the import button, okay. Here you need to uh, create your list, create your new list. So you can click on the add list. Let's say you want to target CEO. So you can type here CEO, and let's say you want to target in UK market. Okay, so you can type here whatever you name you can mention here. It all depends on you. Okay, so now you can create a list, and after creating a list you can import your prospect here via different ways. So you can import your prospect via LinkedIn search. You can also import your prospect via LinkedIn sales navigator. You can import your prospect via CSV file. So there are n number of ways that you can use to import your prospect in this list, okay. But you need to understand that if you are going to import your prospect via LinkedIn search, so you can only import 1000 prospect in this list, okay. But if you want to import your prospect via LinkedIn sales navigator, so you can import 2500 prospect into your list, or same with this CSV file, okay. So there are few ways that you can use to import your prospect in this list. And after importing your prospect in this list, what you can do, you need to create a campaign, okay. So you can click on the start a campaign here, and now uh, you can click on browse sequence. So on Galaxy there are so many sequence they will give you to use that sequence, so that you can use that sequence to reach out to your prospect. You can, if you want, you can, if you want to send only invitation to your prospect, so you can use this sequence. Here you can see that send a LinkedIn invitation to your prospect, with or without note. Okay, or if you want to uh, send invitation plus two message to your prospect, so you can use this uh, sequence. So there are you can mention here in send message, and in how many days that you want to send next message. Okay, so you can also use this sequence. Okay, and here you can see that there are n number of sequence that you can use. Okay, and or if you want, you can also send follow-up message to your prospect. Here you can see that. Okay, so uh, you can use any sequence. Okay, you can play with this sequence one by one, and then you can figure out which sequence is better for you. Okay, so that's how you can automate your reaching out process through LinkedIn for your services. Okay, and here you can see the result of your campaign. Here you will get how many connection requests Waalaxy will send. Waalaxy has sent so 178 connections. Waalaxy sent on 29th April, and 29 people have already accepted our connection request. So here you can see. Okay, so that's how you can use this Waalaxy tool. Okay, and also you need to do some setting here. Okay, you need to update the information of your LinkedIn account here. Okay, and also here. Okay, and whenever you will upload the uh, details of your account here, so you can use this tool in a proper way. Okay, so that's how you can use this tool, and that's how you can automate your reaching out process through LinkedIn on automation. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. If you have any question, you can comment below, or if you want to share anything, so you can share with me. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.